Ooh, thank you, Ocean Nomad. Give me some time. I'm coming. Welcome. Let's see. Let's deactivate this waiting screen. And we are up for today's streaming. Hello and welcome to this new stream of an indie game dev doing things very indie. Okay. I think today, I'll just talk about that. I guess the streaming is mostly for myself nowadays. Maybe some people, the usual, will join later. Now that I can see the amount of users watching the stream, it's kind of disturbing to me. Although it's fine, I guess. Suppose I use this as a way to practice my English also anyway, but it doesn't really matter. And I'm sure some of the usual guys are going to show up later. But it does impact on me a little. All right. I've been working on that little dungeon, top-down dungeon game of mine. I've been exploring some of the multiplayer network coding side of it. It's something that has been a black magic to me for the longest time, but I think that I'm starting to get my head around it, wrapped up, and although there are still many issues that I have to tackle, I think I got the gist of it. I've implemented the the role thing that the role animation that we did last week together during last stream, and I've also added a couple of new things. Ooh, okay. I climbed on that. I touched that thing and I went up. I should have a reset button. Doesn't really matter. Anyway, so if I shoot others, they get ouched. So I think we can start working on some multiplayer gaming now. I haven't tweaked. I've just implemented that like an hour ago. I haven't touched anything yet. I haven't tweaked any stats yet, any variables. So right now, both the roll and the ouch animation are using the same animation curve. So it's kind of crazy. The feedback, the ouch movement is kind of crazy, way too much. But as you can see, it's kind of working. There's a huge lag. This is something I'm still working on. Ooh, why is it going through? Oh, I suppose this guy, I don't know why this guy doesn't get hit by my needle. Is he immune? Oh well. Oh well, anyway, as you can see, okay, yeah, I went up. This is the host, and he went too high vertically, and now he's immune to the other people's needle. Good morning, Mr. Rainbow! I was kind of feeling lonely now that I can see the amount of people watching the stream. But I'm glad you're here. Welcome to the stream. Today I'm showing... I'll probably do a couple of things. First one, I'm showing my research about online multiplayer. As you can see, it's got things. Yeah, I should probably restart this thing. Let's see. Okay, I didn't have to close everything. It's fine. Okay, let's see. Good morning. How are you doing, Mr. Rainbow? Let's see. I've been doing some research, as you can see, with the multiplayer coding, and also I was thinking about maybe adding some achievement to Neon Tail right here, right now during the stream. Why not? Because why not? And it's not something that hard, but it's something that I wanted to push back because it's something that kind of it's not hard to do, it's not long to do, but I thought it could be fun to just discuss with you guys. Hopefully later we'll show up more about achievements that we could put in the Neon Tail and just maybe show you how it's done. it's pretty simple. It's pretty much calling a function from the API of Steam, and you're done. So as you can see, I've been working on this. There's a huge lag client side, but the host has the very responsive. Also, I've implemented both code for gamepad. Gamepad. Why is my wire so short? Okay, both for my gamepad and both for my keyboard way. So gamepad is a little different. If I use the right stick, it aim directly. So you can just run around, aim, and shoot. I decided to not go for the pulling the trigger and release to shoot. I like that for my previous game, but I think in this game, if I am to create various classes, some of them melee, not all the characters are going to be needles and bows and needles, so it's a thing. I'm very heavy-handed with the knockback right now because I'm sharing the roll that we did together. The roll curve with the knockback curve, so yeah, there we go. Okay, so that's it for Beneath. I don't know if I'm going to keep that name, but we'll see. I mean, right now it's pretty simple. That curve is the roll curve. Of course I'm going to refine everything later on over time. Right now you advance 2.5 units for the first few frames, and then you stop yourself, kind of. We'll see. What do you guys think? Let's see. Oh yeah, now you can also shoot on walls. It's going to be stuck. I'm going to set it to parent to the mouse when I shoot another mouse. Of course, there's going to be AI and monsters to shoot. And I'm going to do something for the lag client side. There's something that is called client prediction. I think I'm going to try to implement that, maybe, or not. Maybe a simple version, a version of it that I'm going to write myself and try to do something that works, kind of. It's always interesting to me, this kind of learning process. Boop. All right, I'm going to keep that thing on the background and launch Neon Tail. And then we can think about the achievement I'm going to do. I'm half using this stream. I mean, you know, we are 2 people watching the stream, and probably one of them is my friend. I'm just going to use this as an occasion, an opportunity for me to get some work done. Since as you know, probably know, anyone that is going to watch the stream retroactively, maybe. It's hard for me to be productive right now as I took a job, but I'll still try to finish the project slowly but surely. And why not? Why not during those streams? I'm going to play Neon Tail and run around, skate around, and see if there are any achievement that could be done. Simple achievement, maybe. Here we are, Neon Tail. There we go. Let's see if I press play right here. I'm going to be able to see. It's going to automatically load my first save. And I think I'll be able to just skate around. Let's cut the sound also. Boop. And there we are. Silence of the stream. I hope I hope it's not going to do the weird, very low quality streaming thing that it used to do. Right now it's all green on my screen. It should stream all right, probably, maybe. I've noticed also that I've added so right now on the Steam build, I have the position, as you can see, minus the position on X and Y, but I don't have the position on Z. This is awkward. I'm going to fix that next month, probably. It's a tiny thing to fix. Let's see. Show FPS and debug info. There we go. So I'm probably going to add an achievement for acquiring all the and collect and find all the figurines, of course. What type of other achievement? We had a bunch of ideas. I know I wrote it somewhere, but I don't have it on myself right now. I guess I can take them out. Boop. There are achievement. There could be achievement with doing all the side missions that are not the main missions. Completionist, maybe. Huh. Okay, let's see. We got our script here. We got, I probably separated everything very cleanly and had this thing happen in Steam Manager, probably. Maybe. Maybe not. Oh, it's so sad when nobody's talking to me. Ah, well. Everybody's busy with their lives, maybe. Not the usual. Hopefully people will join later. Yeah, I don't know. It does tickle me. Let's see. Do I have the automatic camera? Yeah, it's deactivated. Right. That's good. It doesn't reactivate automatically. Fix that. Okay. Let's see. Steam Manager. Let's get this fired. Okay, let's type Steam. Just achievement. I'm sure I'm going to find it if I type achieve. There we go. No. No. Here. There we go. Steve achievement. That's my code. Toasted. Okay, so this was this was a test achievement to make sure that it works. I am the only one on Earth that has this achievement. It is unfair, but it's my game. I'll unlock it for all of the other players soon. That was for me a way to understand how the achievement works. It's pretty simple, but I needed to test it out, and I needed for it to be functional. So I'm sorry about that. Woo. Okay. It's too sad that yeah, I'm still going to try to find a way to finish this game and wrap it up. Get it out of early access and just call it a failed game, a failed business, I suppose, kind of. But still, it would be very sad to me to not finish it. No, I can't. I don't know. I don't know. Either I pause it for a longer time and get back at it and finish it in one gulp, or try to wrap it up and I don't know. I mean, it's not lost, right? It's not a lost project. It's just too bad that I couldn't just finish it with finish it completely the way I wanted to. But have to leave, right? We have to leave. Hopefully that little side project of mine maybe is going to help with getting a momentum, maybe. Woo! It's a little bit sad because I kind of had a growth with the community. People kept coming, and the stream actually, I felt that like there was a beginning of a growth. Something like a people coming and more at the beginning, and getting interested in the project, and I had a momentum between content creation, and people coming watching. Kind of lost it because of the of not working 24/7 on it, but I don't know. It's good. It's good practice, I suppose. It's good practice for me to keep going, even though it's so deserted nowadays. Only the hardest fan are watching, probably, and even less today. Oh well. I don't know. What do you think, Yashiki? I guess it matters more than usual now that I can see the amount of people watching. Maybe I should just deactivate that thing and just stream to my pleasure, and that's it. Hmm. Or just do what I said I was going to do. All right. Let's not bother and let's just do the achievements. Because who cares anyway? Okay, here we go. Let's check out the other stream, the other achievement that I wanted to do, and let's just do it. Let's just put them here. I think I wrote them somewhere. Let's see. 3D achievement. I don't think I've written anything here. All right. I don't even know. I don't even know where I've put this. I've put it nowhere. Okay. Unlock achievement, something like that. I'm sure I've put that somewhere. Work with that. Okay. I think I just need to call this thing, and I'm good to go. Yeah. It's pretty easy. Okay, all. I suppose H is for achievement. So something like a collected all figurine. Oh, put some back music. Get it. Oh, it's so sad that there's nobody. Come on, guys. Let's see. Oh, well, okay. Collected some collected all figurines. All right. You know what? It's kind of boring to have nobody here. All right, let's do something else, I suppose. It is kind of breaking my vibe, watching those stream count. Right now, I know that only Yashik is watching the stream, so it's kind of breaking my vibe. Yeah, I'm probably going to hide it next time. Usually, there's a couple of people who talks to me, and that makes me pretty happy, and I just keep rolling with that, and I'm having a good time usually. But today it kind of feel way too lonely. Oh well, cannot help. I've been reading a lot about building momentum and with any project. I think that's what I lack right now. Yeah, I think that's what I lack. If I am to keep going with the streaming, well, maybe I should just either stream something else and just for my own pleasure, do something that just for fun, I suppose. I could keep going, keep streaming for fun, or keep streaming for Niantel. I don't know. But in that case, I kind of need to have something, a pacing. Hello, Natixta, welcome to the stream. I was saying that I was feeling so lonely. Salut Natixta, bienvenue en stream. J'étais en train de dire que je me sentais bien seul. Ça fait du bien de voir quelqu'un, d'avoir quelqu'un ici. Tiens, je vais te montrer un truc cool. Regarde. Alors, je suis en train d'étudier. Je suis en train d'étudier le network coding. Le codage de jeux en ligne. Et on va... Alors, comme tu peux voir, je peux lancer plusieurs instances de ce jeu sur lequel je travaille. Et ouais, maintenant que je peux voir le nombre de gens qui regardent le stream, je peux dire que personne, que si je parle que en français, ce n'est pas très grave. Alors, on a un host et on a un client. Et la semaine dernière, j'ai fait la petite animation, tu te rappelles, où on peut faire un petit rôle, une petite roulade. Et aujourd'hui, j'ai rajouté pas mal de trucs. Alors il y a un gros lag niveau client, comme tu peux le voir, mais il n'y en a pas niveau serveur. Et si je shoot si je shoot un autre client, comme tu peux le voir, il s'envole. Voilà, ça c'est mon petit projet. Mon petit projet de côté. Ça marche. Là, ce que je dois faire pour aider avec le lag côté client, c'est de faire un truc qui s'appelle la prédiction du client. C'est un peu difficile à mettre en place, mais je vais essayer. Et après ça, avec ça, je vais commencer à mettre en place des monstres et un début de donjon. Un début de niveau de donjon. Donc voilà. There we go. I think I'm not going to spend too much time on this game, on this side project. I'm going to make it so you guys can play with me and we can add stuff to it. Ah, prédire les entrées comme le rollback netcode. Ouais, c'est à peu près ça, je pense. L'idée, c'est que côté client, je vais, au lieu de... Là, ce qui se passe, c'est que ici, je récupère les inputs. Je récupère les... Ça marche avec la manette aussi. Ici, je récupère... Côté client, je récupère les inputs, c'est-à-dire les boutons. le joystick, le gamepad, les inputs. Et je l'envoie au serveur, ici, qui lui va faire des mouvements sur le personnage et qui va renvoyer des mouvements sur le personnage au client. C'est pour ça qu'il y a un gros lag en fait. Donc ici je bouge, ça l'envoie ici. Ici ça va bouger tout de suite. Tu vois, même si c'est lui qui bouge, ici ça bouge beaucoup plus vite que lui. Alors que c'est lui qui récupère les inputs. Et la prédiction du client, en fait, ce qu'il fait, c'est qu'il va appliquer le mouvement d'abord chez le client, l'envoyer au serveur, qui va renvoyer le mouvement, et à ce moment-là, il va tester à gauche à droite si tout va bien. Si tout va bien, on reste tranquille. S'il y a un truc, il va corriger. Voilà. Hey, Lapin, Car, how are you doing? Welcome to the stream. I'm actually leaving again because I was saying it was so alone. I didn't know that I was so alone. Now that I can see the amount of people watching the stream, it feels so alone in the beginning of the stream when nobody's watching. It's so awesome that you come. Okay, when Chibi Magical Girl Squirrel? Squirrel? I guess soon, pretty soon. Am I going to create waifus in that furry waifus in that game? I don't know. Maybe yes, maybe no. As you can see, I'm doing some tiny progresses with the multiplayer. I think I got it. All the multiplayer, how it works, I think I got it. The only thing that I need to work network-wise is the client prediction, as I was telling Netixta about. And also for you guys to be able to play with me, I will have to implement either a relay system or a dedicated server system. I don't know what I'm going to do for now. I know there are some free solutions on the internet for dedicated servers, but we'll see. We'll see. And here also, like I was saying, I was going to. So I'm thinking about adding the achievements right here, right now, on the stream. If you guys are with me, depends on you guys. If you guys are into it, why not? Just have them done right here, right now, because with the production being slowed down so much. It's kind of hard to find any time doing that kind of thing, but I might as well just do it here. Just do it here. Just do it now. En général, je fais des succès. Cool. Let's do that. So what type of achievement do you want me to put in the game? I remember there were some fancy ones that I really liked. I suppose collect all figurines is something that immediately comes to mind. If you have ideas, just write them down on the chat. I'm going to just do them immediately. And here else I'm going to tweak these little things also. So roll curve. I'm probably going to create another curve just for the ouch. My code is extremely simple right now. I'm going to create a curve that is called ouch curve. This is way simpler than the Intel in all ways. I usually create a state machine. Right here, there's not even a state machine. It's just a bunch of random code. This project is going to be so small compared to Neontel, of course, I suppose. Boop, 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 boop. Everything holds here. Let's see. Ouch curve. There we go. And done. C'est aussi un bon moyen de vérifier ce que font les joueurs en jeu avec le pourcentage de quel joueur a fait quel succès. C'est vrai. Il y a un truc qui s'appelle Analytics, Unity Analytics, qui permet aussi de pas utiliser les succès, de directement mettre des analytics dans le jeu. Et il te dit, qui te dit directement combien de joueurs a fait quoi. Tu le mets dans ton code et puis tu peux voir combien de joueurs a fait quoi. C'est aussi pratique. Je m'en sers pas vraiment. Parce que je pense que... je pense que je m'en fiche un peu. Je ne devrais pas m'en fichtre. Je ne devrais pas m'en fichtre. Okay, we're talking about the analytics, kind of. You can kind of keep an eye. So Analytics was saying that we can keep an eye on what the players are doing with achievements. So you can just quickly check how many people have that achievement, so you can directly know what type of behavior achievements do. And I was saying there are actually achievements, not achievement. There are actually analytics that you can put inside your code for Unity. That is quite simple to set up, and you can very quickly see the see the behaviors of players anytime. But I was saying, so that don't be like me. If you're trying to make video games that matters and earn money from that, I think from talking to people at my job, I noticed that I have that behavior. I really prioritize my own fun creating games over everything else. So if you are a business, don't be like me. If you are a business, prioritize earning money. You can create awesome games. You can create fun games to yourself. I tend to prioritize my own fun, which is something you shouldn't do if you want to earn money. Yeah. So do the analytics. Put those analytics out there, and do researches about how the players behave, and adjust your game so that you kind of know what they do, what they want, and refine your game so that they're happy, and refine your game so that you earn money. I'm an idiot. I'm probably a huge idiot. I guess I'm way too focused on my own fun. It's a matter of personality. Maybe I'm not a business guy in the end. I'm just a crazy, passionate about video game guy that has a problem with creating. I suppose if I'm used well, I could be a gold chicken. But as is, for my own game, I suppose I'm way too focused on having my own fun creating things. Couch surfer, sleep at. Oh, that's a good achievement to have them here. Here's my present to you, Lapin, for being on my streams all the time. You can't. It's huge. It's actually huge, you guys. Just writing those words on the chat, it impacts me so much during the streams. You don't know. Like the beginning of the streams, when I saw the 0 on the amount of people watching the stream, just writing those words, I'm kind of I'm having a great time, pretty much. Now I kind of understand why those streamers or YouTubers talk so much about that. I'm thinking of Markiplier actually, and everybody's like, yeah, stop saying that things. I understand kind of way more better. It's an engine, I suppose. It's something that you feel, and you get your momentum, and you're having a good time. We're having a good time. Couch surfer. All right, achievement couch surfer. When you sleep at every safe point at least once. That's a very good achievement here. Créer des jeux sexy pour lesbiennes et femmes libanaises. D'accord. That's a very specific achievement. No, that's a very specific request. Isometric reality. Create sexy games for lesbians and do you say Libanese? Women. Ok. Je comprends totalement. Si j'étais à ta place, je trouverais ça dur de modifier les jeux selon les besoins de joueurs. Oui, c'est ça. Je pense qu'il faut faire un équilibre. Il faut avoir un équilibre entre les deux. Having a balance between being a business guy who cares about it's hard. It's hard to satisfy it's impossible to satisfy everyone. But I should at least satisfy my target audience. But on the other hand, the reason, okay, so I've been thinking about that actually because I've been thinking about that. The reason why people play video games, it's always okay. Let's get to the base of the base. I know what everybody wants in their life. It's easy. Everybody wants to be happy. Okay, so what makes people happy in playing video games? So if we go to the core, the base, the base idea of why people play games, it's simple. Players want something from the game. Usually what they want are created by designers. That's another subject, but yeah. Designers create a world for the game, and they create designs so that they get like Stardew Valley do that. Like I think Stardew Valley is the pinnacle of creating needs for players. Like they have short-term achievements and long-term achievements. While you're doing the short-term achievement, you add to the long-term achievements, and over time it's super hard to stop. And I think that's one design. So creating wants for the player is a design thing, is a game design thing. But overall, you want something from the game, and that's why you're playing it. That's the core reason of playing video games. Hey Mugen Sanzai, welcome to the stream. Welcome. Fais partie de cette communauté LGTV. Ok, je savais pas. C'est plutôt. Ok. Je comprends totalement. Anyway, yeah, welcome to the stream, Mugen Sanzai. I'm so happy to see you there. There should be a similar achievement to the one I mentioned, but separately from the cafes. Maybe something like Fafi Foodies? I don't know. Yeah, I agree with you. Like, achievement, eat all the foods from. Well, right now there's only 2 foods, so. It's not very hard to get that achievement right here. Fafi Foodies? You know what? I'm going to... You guys are here on the stream. You get to name the stream the achievements. There you go, Fafi Foodies. Fafi Foodies. That's a great achievement. So far, all great achievement. Good job, Lapin. Yeah. Save Yashiki. Okay, let's do it. But I don't really know. So I'm going to write in the comments how you unlock that achievement, because it's going to be hard for me to do it during the stream. I mean, I could, but it's going to be boring. It's just going to be me searching in the code where and how to unlock the things and adding variables. It's kind of boring. So, save Yashiki. Okay, so this achievement, if I were to imagine it, I would have a special mission in the game where Yashiki is an NPC. Maybe invisible, maybe you don't know about it, but everybody's talking about Yashiki. And how tortured and he's locked up somewhere in the city, and you have to find him using hints thrown here and there. Maybe some tags are saying this way, and having some people hidden in the garbage telling you, hey, I heard that Yashiki is over there, and you would just follow hints to get to somewhere a button or something, and Yashiki gets saved. I don't know. What do you think? Do you have an idea? I'm not against this achievement, but I gotta have a direction, right? You cannot create. Oh, that's another huge debate that is firing around me right now. Creation and blueprints. I mean, it's a huge debate. It's just a matter of a way of working, I suppose. Some extremes. My own way is usually I have a direction, I have an idea of what I'm doing, and of course, while you're going that direction, nothing's going to work out. That's normal, the way you thought it would. And as you go, you recreate that. You recreate your direction. You try to keep the same direction, but you will have to tweak it all the time. That's the way I go, and I think that's, from what I saw, I think that's actually one of the best ways to go for that. Well, who knows? Who knows? Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm right. Doesn't matter, I suppose. Okay, let's see. So collect. That's an easy one. I don't need to write a comment. So couch surfer. Couch surfer. Let's see. You had slept on all the couches. Alright, there we go. Had slept on all the couches. Faffy Foodie had eaten all the foods in the game. Let's go. Let's get ambitious. Yashiki needs to appear as an aging construction worker complaining that the city always needs development, so you have to go and gather more workers or something for him so he can retire. Alright, that's an idea too. I'm not against it. Alright, let's see. Alright, let's see. Is that I suppose that's a side mission. I mean, if it's an achievement, maybe we need to make it a little secret. I mean, why would that specific mission? Because that's a Yashiki. let's not complicate things that don't need to be complicated. Side mission where we gather construction workers to so that Yashiki can retire. That's not much of a save, but I'll take it. All right. As I said, you are on the stream. You get to choose what you want. That's a pretty fun concept. I like it. And also, it's not a side mission that is hard to create for me, in my opinion. I'll just put a bunch of NPCs here and there. Just put a construction hat on their head. And there we go. We got a mission. A couple of dialogues here and there. Go to A, go to B, go to C. There we go. Yeah. Not a hard thing to do to me. Achievement. Complete all street race. Yes. Alright. This one is a good one. Complete all street races. And yeah, I don't even need to write a comment to this. This is so yeah, the title says it the title says it all. I need to work on my elocution. I tend to eat my own words. I need to be more careful. I have to say, I really have to thank these streamings for helping with my English. I think my English improved tremendously. I said that last stream. I'm sorry, I'm old and I keep saying the same things now. What else? Keep them coming. Let's see. Achievement. How about I guess cosmetics. Getting all the T'as un bon niveau d'anglais à l'heure actuelle. Merci. Thank you. Like I said, I think the streamings are the main thing. But it's the only place where I get to speak in English. So I think I had a good level in terms of grammar and vocabulary because I read a lot of books in English, but I lacked the practice of. And I listen to a lot of English stuff, but I don't get to practice at all my knowledge. And the streams just talking here in the stream, I get to practice that, and yeah, that helps. Nyans, Nyans. Hey, that's a good name. That's a good name for an achievement. Nyan. I cannot put that, although I would like to. An exclamation mark. Use words, Faye. Use words. You're here also to practice your English, so you should use words. All right. Acnean. Wear all types of cat accessories at the same time. Yep. I think I'm gonna use body parts for this one. Maybe have all body parts. Wear a cat related cosmetic. Oh, okay. In the code, it's named cosmetic. But it's probably better to say accessories. But doesn't matter. Okay. Have all body parts. Wear a cat-related cosmetic. There we go. Pretty good. I like this idea. Actually, we can dig a cosmetic side. I think there's a lot of things, a lot of costumes that can be. Actually, if you think of all the sets, I kind of don't remember. I know there's a dragon set, there's a Cthulhu set, ocean set. Oh, the ocean set. Wear the full ocean set. Should they have a specific? Maybe I'm going to have names for the achievement. If you have cool names for those, I mean, it's kind of boring to have ocean sets, dragon sets, and things like that as achievement. Oh well. Any color combination, sure. I remember there were so there's a street race set. I remember that was kind of cool. It had laser goggles and all the cosmetics that goes with it. It was pretty cool. I don't really remember all the sets. I suppose I have access to them right behind. I'll do that later. I don't think. Yeah, if I'm to put all sets in the as achievements, it's not really that hard, I suppose. On one hand, I know some players love achievements, even though those achievements are not hard to acquire. Kind of like a collecting pleasure. Like you're collecting the achievement and it feels good. On the other hand, if it's too easy to acquire, I don't know. Oh well. The good thing is that I can have as many achievements as I want. The bad thing is that I have to spend time to create those tiny icons. But it's not that hard to me, I think. Icons don't spend that much time. I can do that. All right. Do you have any other ideas? Yes. I'm putting you guys to work right now. You are working for me. Let's see. I like Couch Surfer, Fafi Foodie. Had eaten all the foods in the game. Yeah, I actually played that other game. What was that? Cementing? No, wait. What was that game? It had a generic English game, but it's like a Simon. I forgot. Hey, do you see that? You have to wait something like 40 seconds for the game to start in Unity. That's pretty crazy to me. The game is huge. I actually achieved something quite crazy here. This is a full city that's running without any issues, streaming everything. Woo! Eat crepe, but need to find a cool name. Oh, I don't have the superpowers yet. Ooh. All right, let's see. Eat crepe. Damn, I miss crepes. I love eating crepes. Une bonne crêpe au Nutella. Le Nutella, c'est horrible. À côté nutrition, mais c'est trop bon. Okay. I suppose what I wanted to do a long time ago when I wrote the GDD was to create many side missions for each character. And that way I could have an achievement for completing all the side missions of each character, being like a best friend with Netixta, best friend with Obtrillion, best friend with Toast. Something like that. Creating missions that has creating small talks, it's fine. Creating NPCs here and there, going from A to B, that's very fast for me. But writing good dialogues between the characters, so they have something interesting behind, that's hard. That takes some time. That takes some serious time. Trop d'huile de palme, c'est ça. Trop d'huile de palme, c'est horrible, mais c'est trop bon. Mais c'est horrible, mais c'est trop bon. C'est trop bon le Nutella. Mais j'en ai pas mangé depuis plus de 10 ans, je crois. Mais c'est trop bon. Boing, hit. Oh, I like this one. Boing, hit every trampolines. Trampolines. Do you say trampolines or trampolines? Anyway, Boing is a good name. I like that one. Boing. Boing. There we go. Okay. There we go. Hit all the trampolines. Bounce. Actually, bounce on all the trampolines. Trampolines. That's a funny one. And it's quite secret also. I don't think if you don't look at the achievement list, you would accidentally do this one. This one is something you seek. This achievement is not something. Yeah, this achievement is definitively an achievement that you want to get because you saw it, and it's a good one, I think. Good idea, good job, Lapin. You are awesome. You should be a game designer. all right. Let's give me your roller skates. Yeah, okay. Yeah, it's like trampoline. Okay, not line. Okay, thanks for English lessons. I progress a lot thanks to those streams. That's the kind of little things that really improves my English on each stream. So I'm very thankful for that. I really also did a lot of progress with the So as a French guy, the are the hardest thing to pronounce. You must. We tend to say the. You know all the French say the, of course, for the. It's a subtle sound to create. It sounds like the, but it's not. But it is not. Oh well. Hmm. I suppose should we make an the thing is I created such a world that it has so many branches that I could explore, like the emote. I could unlock the emotes slowly. Also the dialogues, I could have the dialogues branches with toast, like you could use the branches to get somewhere precise, and you would get that achievement that is very specific to a very specific branch of dialogues. You would have to replay the games many times. You would certainly not get it the first time. I'm not sure about that type of achievement. Maybe the players don't want to replay the game. I don't know. But if you are a hardcore achievement hunter, maybe. It depends. King of the world! Go to the highest building achievement. Yes. Yes, that's a good one actually. It's here. Woo! It's here. So there's a way to get here. And you know how to get here actually. I think most of you guys have succeeded to get here. If you manage to get through the ground and fall forever into the clouds, you will respawn here. So I think it's a good way to get an achievement too. Yeah, so as you can see, Netixta is huge in the world. So that's the overlay UI. In Unity, you get a thing. The UI is a different plane. Let's just say. Let's see. Okay, King of the World. Let's do that. This, this is also a great achievement. You guys are really awesome. I have to tell you. I'm not saying that just so you feel good, but you guys are really awesome with the achievement right now. King of the World. There we go. Should I put your names beneath those achievements? All right. Go to the highest building achievement. Ooh, I'm going to eat one of those. Let's see. Broccoli. Thank you. Hey! Hey guys, look at this. My wife just got some macaron. Macaron. Nice. Best wife in the world. She's like, thank you. What was I saying? Well, awesome. Awesome anyway. Oh. Yum. So good. Mm. This is actually not a macaron, I think. I mean, it has the macaron cookies outside, but inside it's more of like a cake, I guess. Pretty good. Pretty good. Thank you. What's the name of those streams where the guy doesn't talk at all? He's just eating, or the girls, I think, is usually girls, pretty girls that eats a ton of food. There you go. ASMR of macaron eating. Hmm. Oh yeah, this one is an awesome one. Damn, you guys are awesome. You guys are having awesome ideas right now. Funky Town. Here we go. This is this is an awesome one. I really like it. It makes use of systems, of the emote systems. Damn, that's an awesome one. It's secret. I think when you unlock it, you're pretty. I think you're laughing when you unlock it. And yeah, this one is awesome. I really like it. Funky Town. Dance inside the drags for 1 minute. Yeah, 60 seconds. I think that's a good time. It's not too long, it's not too short. You have to wait, but you don't have to wait forever. I think that's a pretty good one. Good one. Really awesome one. If you have more of that type, keep them coming. Oh. Hmm. 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 Yeah, by the way, you already know that I've been avoiding sugar for a while, but now I'm back. I'm still eating not too much per day, but I'm slowly putting it back in my diet because my body can handle it now. I don't have those crazy, scary blood sugar issues anymore. So I'm allowing myself to get some. I used to have very scary. I think I would have died from a heart attack if I didn't stop. But now I think I'm good. Again. Anyway. Woo! I think I modified that cutscene. I think now the cutscene is way more boring. I don't remember. It's been a while. Damn. I haven't played my own game for a while now. I kind of forgot about it. I like this one. Yeah, they're just talking and laughing from far away. This kind of sucks. I kind of prefer the first one. I think Pandaramin was right. I should put it back, even though it's badly done. It was cuter. I don't know. I only thought about it because I did it anyway. I named the drags after all. You're right. You're right. This game is kind of yours too. You did some. You've put your imprint. You. How do you say that? You have put your mark to the game as clearly as having your whole place. All right. All right. Stop calling. Here I come. Whoop. One day, if the game gets, I don't. I highly doubt that now. No. But if the game had more, let's not go there. Maybe one day. Maybe, who knows? more people get to know that game, then you can proudly say, "Hey, the Dregs, you know, I am the one who put it in the game," and that's completely true. Railway Ruby starts. Let's see. I'm just putting all the achievements you guys come up with. I'm not even trying to stop any of those. Railway Ruby. Okay, let's see. Start at one end of the city within the threshold, of course, so it's not too strict to get. Strict to get. On the overhead train lines to the other. Yeah, that's a good one. Get from yeah, grind the railway from one side of the city to the other. All right. Art from another world. Visit the fan art place. That's a good one, actually. That's a very good one. Nice one. You guys are catching all the things that I forgot about the game. Damn, it makes me want to get back to to finish the game. I really want to. The world of the Onion Tail has so much potential. I really need to finish this project. Art from another world. There we go. Awesome. Visit the fan art place. Yeah, visit the fan art place. Yeah, it's not that easy to find. I mean, it's not really hidden, but it's not easy to find, I suppose. Oh well. Maybe I'll add a timer if you stay in there for a while. Like you're really visiting and looking at all the fan arts. Crepe. Yeah. Why not? Super easy to get achievement. I think it's impossible to play the game without getting it because at one time you eat a crepe with a trillion. So yeah, sure, crepe. There we go, crepe. There we go. Woo. Whoop.
So, you're here for the license, huh?
Hey, I mean, crepe means hello. Oh, I was. It's you, Pandaramin. I didn't. Welcome to the stream, Pandaramin. Sorry, I was way too focused on the achievement things. So yeah, we are setting up achievements for the game. You are welcome to give me your ideas for achievements. I'm just putting there. So people who come to the streams here right now can just put their ideas of achievements in the game. That is direct. I'm just doing it. I'm just doing it right now, right here, right now. The amount of time I can put into the game is so restricted now. It's only the Saturdays, so it's hard for me to keep everything going up as before, like before. So I'll just do it now during the stream. So fire away all your ideas of the achievement. There's no limitation on the amount of achievements, so you can go ahead and all the ideas you have. I'm like, yeah, just put in a crepe. Yeah, I don't really need to do something about that. Sorry about that. Anyway, Did you want an achievement of I guess we could just have it. Yeah. So this achievement is silly, but the people who you guys pretty much you guys will get the joke. Great. There's nothing else to add. There we go. Achievement. Today is. You are giving me a challenge here. Today is Sepadarmazgan, a day men worship women. I learned recently that you say women, although it's a O. You don't pronounce it woman. Woman. I don't know. I suppose it's an accent from somewhere, but as you know, my English comes from. I have no idea. I just pick up words I heard, and yeah, I just hear the word pronounced. I have no idea what accent it is, and I just use it myself. And that's it. That's my English over there. Of course, with my French accent behind, kind of. It is Wednesday, my dudes. Earn all the acid frogs cosmetic. That's a good one. And also, it's a meme. It is Wednesday. 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 Such a weird word. My dudes. My dudes. Earn all the acid frogs cosmetics. Okay. Even more, maybe. Where all the acid frogs cosmetics. Cosmetics. There we go. Here we go. All right. Oh yeah. Panderamin. I'm going to do that for all the new guys who comes to the streams. Take a look at this. I've been working on my multiplayer, my online multiplayer code. Take a look at this. So, as you can see, I'll put it here so you can see better. Wait. Wait. Red screen. Okay. So yeah, so as you can see, I've been working on this. We can play up to there's no limit right now, but I've put the little role that we've been doing together last week, and also now now I can shoot the other guy. Ouch! There's a huge lag on the client side, but as you can see here, it's instant on server side, but there's a lag on the client here because I registered the input here, I send it to the server server says okay, and move the mouse here, and then send the move here back here later. That's why there's the lag here. And yeah, I'm going to tweak the rolls and the knockback. Right now it's quite crazy, but as you can see, it's kind of cute. I'm going to add a simple monster and start working on the dungeon later. I should set up a dedicated server or a something else. Unity has a service, I think, that's called Relay, that allows multiplayer without doing all the headaches with the IP things and the sockets and the I mean, there's a bunch of annoying things that is complicated for multiplayer to happen. Anyway, a quick catch up to to the stuff I showed earlier.
I'll let you take the test. You gotta prove you're not wasting my time.
I think I'm going to keep the game quite small. I think I'm going to put all the things we talked about last week. I'm really creating video games with you guys, and that feels awesome.
Finally spotted them, and I'll let you in.
Woo! Slow motion. It's Wednesday, my dudes. That's a good one. Pando, you haven't found any achievement yet. You haven't given any achievement yet. Do you have any ideas? Boop. Woo! I have to say, my game really... I'm really comfortable with playing my game and streaming at the same time. But from my experience, playing other games and streaming at the same time is extremely hard. I don't know how all those streamers do. I suppose it's easier for me because that game, I made that game from A to Z. So of course I'm going to be comfortable with talking while playing. My brain is completely disconnected from the game while I'm playing the game. So at that point, it's like I'm passively playing the game. All right, let's do this. Whoop, whoop, whoop. And wait, I already got this one. Never mind, I'm an idiot. Woo! 8 out of 10. Whoop. 9 out of 10. There's one missing. I don't know where it is. Forgot where it was. Is it up there? I might as well get it. I suppose this could be an achievement too. But the achievement you guys came up with are way cooler than that type of achievements. Love the women in your life and make them happy today. Sure. I mean, yeah. Boop. I mean, I love them every day, so it's not really... I mean, it's not really because people are women that I love them. Usually. What is that? Fail to create an agent because there is no valid nav mesh. Oh, the animals maybe. Oh, while they're jumping, they're using nav mesh. I don't think this level has any nav mesh. That's why I get that error. I think it's fine because it's all one level. What am I doing? Okay, let's go talk to Ring. Anyway, is that a QR code? Use the drone to take a picture of the QR code in the game. Oh, that's a good one. That's very Batman, I think, and I actually love that feature from Batman where you have some achievements by taking pictures of specific things. That's a good idea. I think we can play with the camera system too. Take some pictures, take some specific pictures. Take a selfie with Natixta, something like that. And call the achievement by BFF or something like that. Yeah, let's do this. Boop. Let's see, we've got 2 new achievements to add. Achievement. Is that a QR code? Question mark. Use the drone. Okay. Use drone cam to came. Yeah, alright, camera to wait. I'll just take a picture of the QR code with the drone camera. There we go. And another one. I like this one. Actually, we can make a ton of achievement with the camera, I think. I'll add the BFF. This is dumb. I'm a good audience to dumb things. Let's see. Take a selfie with Natixta. I guess I could go ahead and have an achievement with taking a selfie with each character. Maybe I should name it something else. BFF Natixta, BFF. Oh well. Anyway, fight on. What is this one? Let's first write it. Fight on. Let's see. Or Fighto for win points. Up to you. I don't mind. One or the other. Fighto. Let's go with Fighto. Fail the license test at least once before passing. Sure, why not? This is one of the tricky achievements. Like if you pass first time the license, you cannot get it again. So far, all the achievements are unlockable without replaying the game. I don't know if I want to make it a rule. I don't have to. Maybe it's fine because it's not far from the beginning of the game, so you can always replay the game to that point. What do you think? Should I restrict the achievement to be only unlockable at any time? Or should I... there's no rule. Hey, come on. There's no rule. Come on. Fail the license. Who cares anyway? No, but the game is not played by that many people anyway, so let's have our fun. Let's have our own fun. Fail the license at least once before passing it. I suppose if you're too good, you will have to purposely fail the exam. It's actually very easy to pass it first time. Only once per save instance. I mean, Steam achievement is for the whole game. There's only one achievement. I mean, you can only. There's no one. It's not like you have one achievement per save slot. It's the whole game. You have achievement for the whole game. So if you achieve it with any save, it's going to achieve it for the whole game. Only once per save instance. Yeah, I don't think that's possible. Steam. What I could do, but that is to have a Steam achievement for each save slot, but that doesn't make sense at all. That is to say, you have to restart a new save if you miss it. Yeah, that's it. I think it's fine. It's fine to go that way because the license is not too far in the beginning of the game, so you can always just replay the game. This is all right. Good job, by the way. 16 achievements you guys come up with. Good job. Are there any funny ideas? Some of them are really cool. I like the dance. I like the funky tone. I really like this one. This one, I think it's my favorite so far. I mean, the classic ones are excellent, of course. And I think there are very good ideas. Complete all street races. Couchsurfer. I like Couchsurfer too. It's I think there's a dimension of there's a fun dimension behind those achievements that I really like. It's fun. Yeah, it's fun. The only problem in the restarting the game is you can skip Obsidian section. You can actually. Why can't you? Oh yeah, I should add a All the dialogues. I should add a prompt that say skip all the whole dialogue by pressing Y. I noticed that many people didn't know that. Um, I forgot if I mentioned it. I thought I mentioned it somewhere. Skip the dialogues by pressing Y. I think you can skip everything, so you can very quickly speed run the game. I kind of hated myself when games don't allow you to skip stuff, especially if you already played the game before and you're just replaying the whole game or something. You should be able to skip anytime anything, but don't make it too easy to skip. Something like have a loading bar. The problem with my dialogue skipping is as soon as you press Y, it immediately skips the whole dialogue. So it could be done immediately, but the Y button is not really. I don't think anyone presses Y by accident, so I don't know. It's weird. When I started the stream, I wasn't hungry at all. It was I was completely full. But after eating that macaron, I'm starting to get hungry. Weird. Few obligatory missions. Okay. Oh. Oh, you meant you cannot skip the action of the missions themselves, like going from A to B. Yeah. Okay. Oh yeah, okay. When you go to the crepe, to Café Fafifou. Yeah, that's true. You cannot skip that. And doing the tutorial is so hard. I think right now we've got a very good pacing and game design for new players. But if like you say, just like you say, if you're replaying the game, it becomes annoying. It's so hard to design a good pacing. However, I think given the genre of the general genre of the game, which is kind of an adventure story game, I think it's alright. Yeah, I don't think most most new players are going to play the game. I mean, if it was finished right now and it's the first time you play the game, I don't think you would play the game like 40 times. Yeah, it's very hard to fail that exam, that license. It has a future. Failing this mission actually has a feature that is unused anywhere else. I think there's a white noise effect, and a sound that goes. I don't know why I did that. I guess I just thought it was cool. Doesn't really make sense. No. Yeah, there's another dimension. I kind of wanted to insinuate, like, okay, I wanted Ruby to. I knew that Ruby had superpowers, but I wasn't really sure exactly what superpowers she had at that point, and maybe like resetting that's an excuse to reset the license. So if you fail it, you can reset this license and you retry it. But I think this idea kind of got lost over time. Oh well. Woo! Woo! Boink. Look at this. This animation is never used again. Such a waste. I'm a waste guy. The whole game is a waste. Nah, I'm torturing myself. Stop talking, Faye. Anyway, pain in the butt. Okay? Pain in the butt. Smash all the glass at the bus station without leaving the area. Oh, nice one. All right, let's do that. In the bot. Can I write the bot in an achievement? Would Steam censor my achievement name? Should I add an 18 plus for the game? Nah, yeah, I think bot is fine. Okay. Smash on the bus station glasses. Good one. Let's see. Yeah, I'll write them all down. You guys are the kings tonight. You get to choose. You get to choose the achievement that are going in the game. In the very start cutscene, you've added whole skip thing, but in the actual game, it's why. No, cutscenes are always whole skip. It's the dialogues that dialogues are not cutscene. Dialogues are it's a different system. So cutscene usually play an animation that I created in Maya, although now it would be Blender. Yes, money. And the dialogue doesn't have any animation. It only has those single animation like that goes with each page. It's a completely different system. So cutscene, you can really skip them by holding Y, by holding any button. And this, you can skip it by pressing E or pressing Y on a gamepad. Oh. Yeah, sorry. Write glass instead of glasses, by the way. Oh, I didn't know that, actually. You're teaching me. I didn't know that glass didn't have a plural when it's window glass. Thank you. The polite variant of that idiom is pain in the neck. Yeah, but is but I like the but. Yeah, you're right. Should I? I don't know. Do you think Steam would not like it if I write but? I mean, the game is visually. I don't know. Nowadays, the what is censored and what is not is so confusing that I kind of don't care, but I should. So I don't know. Car said it before though, and you just forgot. Okay. Okay. Ah well. Yeah, I have a very bad memory. That's very true. It's kind of weird though. I have excellent memory when it comes to creating games, working on games. Weird. And I have very bad memory. So I've been talking about that today, curiously. When learning something new, I kind of struggle by just reading stuff. Like reading the stuff, reading documentation doesn't allow me to learn quickly. The best way for me to learn, um, tutorial works. Following a tutorial and doing it myself, it works, but it's not as efficient as what I'm doing with the mouse game. The mouse game is really okay. I want this. What's the first step? And I look for the first step, and I look for how to create that first step, and I keep going that way. And that way, I memorize everything without trying to memorize anything, without reading how things are done. Because I'm trying to do that. I'm trying to do that, and I do it. And I'm having fun too. And I think having fun is really the real thing that makes me memorize the thing without trying. So I have a very selective memory. I cannot memorize anything that is not tied to having fun, I suppose. It's weird, but that's me. Oh well. I keep saying oh well lately. Car said it before, although the image of Ruby skating around the station and breaking pedestrian glasses is funny. Sorry sir, I have an achievement to do. Alright, let's go to Cafe Fafifu and save our game and get to the next mission. You tell me... bubble tea. I should add more stuff to the menu. I don't need a ton of food. The thing is, I have a kind of a cutscene with each food. So it's kind of a... It's a lot of... It's not that much of work if I was working 24/7 on the game, but it's still work. That little animation here. It's not much. It's like 1 hour maybe, but it's still work. So, and then I have to implement it again and make sure it's not bugged. It's more than 1 hour actually. Okay. Hey, you are poor. Find some job. Oh. I'm seeing something. I'm seeing something here. Bird bath. Stand still in a fountain for a sustained period of time. I can always count on you for giving me awesome achievement, man. That's a good one. Bird bath. Good job. Stand. The game is going to be full of dumb achievement, and I love it. Stand in the fountain for let's say 60 seconds. For 60 seconds, let's standardize. Let's normalize this thing to 60 seconds. All right, that's good. Good one. I'll search by myself, thank you. I know where Tibal von Badijk is. Woo! Woo! Whoop! Whoop! Do-do-do-do-do. I think I'm quite proud of the work I did with the combo sound. I wanted something that doesn't sound irritating over time, that you can keep doing all the time but still feel good, and bring in some sort of on dit monter, rise, some sort of rising feeling, something that's yeah, I'm quite proud with my combo sounds. Dum 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 doo 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 dum. And you can keep going at it and it still feel it won't feel annoying over time, although it is quite I mean it's still a sound that has you know what I mean, right? Yeah, it doesn't feel bad over even after 10 time or 100 time. I'm quite proud of that. It's actually very hard to make a noise that is repetitive and feel good. Usually any repetition is going to feel irritating over time. This one, I think it's a good. This one doesn't. Hey! It's not annoying, but it's very loud and distracting when doing long combos. But that's the point, right? Okay. I'm throwing myself flowers, and you're saying no. It's annoying. It's loud and distracting. And it's like it's kind of like the pachinko machines in Japan. Like if you ever went to Japan and enter a pachinko thing, it's crazy. I think I've felt it's kind of sad too. To me. I don't think the people who are there feel sad, but to watch it felt sad to me somehow. There's no gameplay at all to the pachinko machine. It's just a button, it's just a lever. You just lever it, and the sound is the volume is crazy high. I think you become dumb from the sound, and I guess that's why I feel sad when looking at that. The people are there all day. They don't even. I don't think they even want to win. I think at that point it's more a. I think at that point it's more a therapy, something to distress, something that pass the time and has the sound is probably hammering all your worries. It feels like I guess the reason why I think it's sad it's because it feels like you're drowning your problem in that activity. I don't know. Maybe maybe I'm totally wrong about it and just feel that way to me. Oh well. I don't. Yeah. Well, why did I talk about that? The combo sound, I suppose. Still a pleasant sound. I remember the guys from Overwatch talking a lot about the sound when you hit an enemy. It's the sound design was like he was trying to get a good feeling, a good vibe from the sound, and he used the sound the psh from opening a can of soda. And to him, that's a pleasant memory, and it's a way to design sound. I think it kind of work. It's pleasant, kind of. I guess it's more or less tied to whether or not you are a huge fan of sodas or champagne or something. I don't know. I don't know. I think it's viable. It's all right. Mustache for your help. Ooh, ooh. Wait. Mustache. Ach, ach. Mustache for your help. I have no idea what the achievement is about, but I like the title. Okay, what is it? Complete package delivery at all difficulty levels for the first time. Mustache? Why the mustache? Oh. Okay, whatever. I like the I like the title anyway. I don't think I get it, but complete all package deliveries. There we go. Hey, we are getting a real game achievement list right there. It's pretty cool. Oh yeah, that's real progress. 19 achievement done in one stream. Keeping them going, keep them coming, guys. We're going we're going to finish this game with the streams. Awesome. Oh, cause Tibalt, you're right. Oh yeah, mustache. I'm an idiot. Okay. Got it. Mustache for your help. That's a good one. I'm an idiot. And you're a genius. Thank you. All right. Blah blah blah. I'm not. It's not annoying, but it's very. Yep. I mean, if you do like combo, won't sit on while, or just don't sustain over 6x combo, it's completely okay. If you do 100, yeah, but nobody's doing 100 combo except you, man. I think you're the only one who ever told me that you went over 100. I think yes, at that point, yeah. But any sound I would have created would be annoying after 100 times, I think. Try to find the best sound in the world and hammer it 100 times. And also that's one of the requirement I was hunting for when doing that sound. I kind of wanted to be like, you know, that feeling when you level up in Diablo or anything. They really put a ton of leveling up effect. Like your character is getting hit by a tower of light, and you got clouds, golden clouds, and a huge level up, and an awesome sound design with the and it feels awesome. I kind of wanted that to a lesser degree for the combos. I still feel quite proud of it, but you're right. Of course, it's going to be annoying me 100 times, but I don't think most of the time you would go over 100 times. I think 10 times is cool. Like you got to at 6 and you hear it 4 times. I think that's good. Hey, salut Valentin, bienvenue dans le stream. Je suis en train de rajouter des achievements dans le jeu en temps réel et tu es bienvenu pour ce qui est d'en rajouter. Si tu as des idées, c'est direct. Si tu viens dans le stream, tu peux mettre des achievements dans le jeu. That's the idea. Welcome to the stream, Valentin. Je viens de quitter mon stream. Oh, ok. Désolé, j'ai pas pu regarder, mais je suis moi-même là. Donc voilà. Oh, let me show you that again. Every time there's someone coming up, I show my stuff. So I've been working. Ouais, je suis en train de bosser sur. Je suis en train d'apprendre le multiplayer online games, and I'm setting up this tiny dungeon little mousy game up. I think I'm getting the idea of it. Everything's working. I'm still. Hello. You have to go to bed now. It's okay. Anyway, who do you think you are? Get run down by every kind of vehicle. Oh, that's a good one. Okay. So I'm just showing this thing. It's playable with a gamepad. I'm going to work on AI later and start working on the level design of the dungeon. Okay, let's see. Adding another achievement here. Getting run by all kind of vehicle. I have to save. Maybe I can just go cache it in one save. You have to do it in one game. And if you reload the game, then it's fine. I guess I could save that too. It's fine. All right. Let's do it. Who do you think you are? This is your achievement, car. Who do you think you car? This really is your achievement, car. Get run over by all the cars. There you go. Get isekai'd. Actually, with that achievement, I just had an idea. Maybe I should have a side mission where you go to the... You fall beneath the... You isekai yourself somewhere. That would be fun. But I have to limit the amount of work, the workload on the game right now. Most of those achievements could be done pretty quickly. So I don't think it's going to be a problem for me to add all those for the next update. Maybe I'm just going to spend a couple of hours. No, maybe more. Maybe tomorrow, just tomorrow. Okay, I'm going to go for it. Tomorrow, I'm going to add all those achievements in the game. And should I test them or just release them into Steam without testing? Testing takes so much time. It's annoying. Maybe I shouldn't just... Yeah, maybe I should just test them myself once, at least, each one. Because it's kind of dangerous to just throw them on Steam, and if they don't work or they are unlocked unexpectedly, it's going to be a mess. Oh well. For achievement, you'll never guess where it is. Find the 10 hidden bugs that just appeared all over the map. Okay. 10 bucks. 10 bucks. I need a trigger for this though. Like, it's extremely. What is this? Damn you mosquitoes. Okay. Find secrets. 10 hidden bugs. I kind of need a trigger because this one would be hard for me to set up if I don't have a trigger to it. Like anytime you want to find 10 boxes, I guess I could create a new collection kind of similar to the figurines. I don't know. Without trick, they are always there. Yeah, so they are kind of the figurines, right? They are kind of like the figurines. This one is hard to do. Can you give me achievements that is easy to do? I don't have that much time to work on this project. I'll find a way to make it easier to do to me. Mosquito in February? Whoa, Taiwan ain't joking. Yeah, I'm not sure it was a mosquito. Give me 1 second. Got him. Yep. Ah, ninja dexterity. Yeah, I got him. Damn you, mosquito. Yeah. Yeah, Taiwan. Taiwan. It's it's weird. It's weird. This week it was super cold, then super hot. Today was super hot for some reason, and yesterday it was super cold. I think the world is is going crazy with the weather. I don't know. First blood. First blood. Yeah, I think it is a little bit scratchy. I hope he didn't sting me here. Bite me. I've always thought it was weird to say bite for mosquitoes. They don't have teeth. But it's weird because all the three languages I speak, they have both. They have sting and bite for the mosquitoes. And it's totally most people say bite for the mosquito. I don't know why. They don't have teeth. It's dumb. Anyway, sometimes if car hits you, you can fall through the ground in the sky and then you're teleported to the top of the world. I think it's close to Isekai. Should we rename King of the World to Isekai? No, you can't get there without getting Isekai. So I suppose it's. Should I make it a double achievement? Like if you fall through the ground, you get Isekai. Get Isekai. I like this one. I know you didn't specifically said this one, but I like this one. Fall through the ground. Just the name Isekai. Yeah, I'm not sure that's well written, but it's fine. Mosquito boss battle, almost first try. Yep. I don't joke. This mosquito didn't see it coming. Catch the thief. Boop. Come here, you little thief. Boop. Damn, it's been so long since I last saw this cutscene. I've done this one. Okay, here's some anecdote about this cutscene. It was at first created to catch ram. So when the shopping district was just made a long time ago, something like 4 years ago. No, more. 5 years ago, I had a little mission that is not in the game anymore, where Ram was not Ram. The Ram we know today was he was completely another character, and you would have to catch him, and Ruby would snap him between her legs in a very anime awkward position, and she would be like, haha, gotcha. My game was very anime, actually. Way more anime trope than. It's still anime trope, though. Ruby at one point just fall backward and have her feet up in the air. That's very anime. Do you have a function where you can tag logos on the map? No, I don't. What type of... Wait, when you say tag logos, do you mean the pins? Actually, you the map you can... For the maps you can... Wait. Okay. It's just... There we go. Actually, the map, when you get to see them, you can unlock some pins. I don't know if you've ever played that game, the Insect Knight, Bug Knight. I forgot. What's the name? Hollow Knight. Yes, Hollow Knight. You can buy like if you go to Lero's workshop over there. Here, you can buy the pins to see where on the map the couches are. You can also buy other stuff. I forgot what type of pins, what type of icons you can buy, but they appear on the map after that. But I'm not sure you're talking about this. Maybe not. I'm not sure. Because sting is done with the stinger, and mosquitoes are biting with their mouth, which is basically just one long hollow tooth. I kind of disagree. It's not really a tooth. For me, a tooth is something made of bone. What the mosquito has is kind of a mouth stinger. Oh well, it's I guess you're right if you change the perspective, and I'm right if I have my perspective, so it's not really a matter of who's right or wrong here. Yeah, if teeth, if my definition of teeth is something made of bone, calcium, I feel like that. Anyway, to me, it doesn't make sense. In French, you say piquer. Piquer, which means using something. Piquer means using something pointy and pierce, I guess. It's not really pierce, but it's just yeah, it's stinging with something pointy. So it makes more sense to me. Sting equal inject biting, sucking. Oh, biting equals sucking blood. Well, in this case, mosquito does both. The reason why it's scratchy, it's itchy and scratchy, it's because they inject something that makes it so that fluidifies the blood, or something like that. I forgot what it was for. And that's what makes you burp, and you're scratching your thing. But that prevents your blood from flowing outside, I think. Something like that. Like in CS. Oh, you were talking about tags like in CS. Wait. Let's go back up. Hashtag more RAM. You knew it's coming. Yep. You want to tag logos on the map. No, I don't have a function to tag the map. One of the reasons why is because this game is not just a radio. No, okay, I have too much respect for Jester Radio, and I think roller skating associating roller skating and tags. Nowadays, everybody thinks all the people who played that game tells me, why don't you do tags? It doesn't make sense. But for me, that's the signature. That's the identity of Jet Set Radio. Nobody ever thought of combining roller skate and tagging ever before, and now everybody's like, makes sense. You have a roller skating in your game. Why don't you have tag? I disagree. I don't want to steal the main identity of Jet Set Radio. I guess maybe I'm too weird or maybe I'm too straight. I guess. uh, People has been saying that I'm pure. I guess that's kind of the maybe that's the idea. It's a weird thing to tell me. Uh, and it didn't happen only once. It actually happened like 3 4 times. Just saying that I'm pure. That's so weird to hear. I have no idea what that means. But my guessing is kind of like I have that kind of logic, I suppose. It's whatever. All right. Like in CS. Yeah, the tags on CS. Yeah, no, I'm not going to put tags in Neon Tails as something you can do yourself. Ju- just just for by pure, I want Jet Set Radio to keep that identity to himself. And although other games are stealing it, for me, that's Jet Set Radio. You put tags and you put roller skate. That's Jet Set Radio. I want to find my own jam. You know. Maybe I can find something else. I don't know. The game has already so many features at that point. I don't even know if I really need something else. Mm, Neon Tail Utopian World where you have to pay to get across to the Google Maps. What? What are you talking about? Oh well. I mean, attacking by spray painting on the wall. Yeah, okay. PK equal poke. Kind of. I mean, for me, poke is that, and I'm not really picking PK myself right now. I'm just poking. Poke, poke. It's a bit different to me. Material Girl. Feel all the cosmetic. This one is hot. This one is super hot. Okay, Material Girl. Hmm. Nice. This is nice. Why am I so blurry? Okay, this is very nice. This is kind of the ultimate cosmetic, I suppose. Let's see. Feel the cosmetics for the first time. Oh, okay. No, it's not. I thought that was the achievement where you bought every single cosmetic from in the game. For the first time, it's fine too. It's an easier one to get. Feel all cosmetic. Body slots. Yeah. For the first time. There we go. Yeah, let's keep it easy. I doubt that any player is going to play my game for super hardcore anyway. I think most gamers are not going to be. I don't know. I wish my game was so awesome. Everybody would hardcore playing it, but let's keep it casual, I suppose. It's fine. It's fine. I can always dream, but insect insect skeleton is exoskeleton, which is made from chitin. And their mandible and stingers and other hard parts are also made from chitin. So for them, it's part of the skeleton too, like for animals. Yeah, sure. Whatever. Eh, I mean, it doesn't make sense, but I'm not fighting for a replacement of the word. For me, it doesn't make sense. But if you want to make sense of anything, anything can make sense if you find reasons for them to make sense. It is a bit of a stretching to me, though. If that's the case, why would let's find hmm all right. Okay. Let's just say that all insects just bite, which is the case, I think. Mm, yeah, okay. All insects just bite. The bite of an insect, that's commonly said. All right. I'm not going to fight for to change those for to stings anyway. um yeah, I always imagine bite to be that motion. Oh, well. Let's see. Okay, wait. I think I didn't. I missed. Oh yeah, I missed a lot of comments. It was for the achievement missions, nothing related to the other game. Actually, just CS because I played that game. Yeah, I played that game too. I play every single game in the world. Um, Actually, I haven't played CS for a long time. I was an old CS gamer. I used to play the version of CS I played most was 1.4 and then 1.6. Source I played it for a while, but then I moved on, I suppose. No, I kind of agree. The more features from GSR you'd add in the game, the more people will require NT to be like GSR. And when it's very similar, they just say, oh, it's just another GSR clone copy, yes. Yes, it's not. The thing is, as soon as I've put roller skating in the game, everybody's going to compare it to GSR. And the reason is not because the game is like GSR. It's just that because there aren't any other reference to roller skating games that is memorable. There is not a single other game that has roller skate and is memorable. Jet Set Radio is the only game that everybody about roller skating that everybody remembers. So of course it's going to get compared to that. You got nothing else to compare it to, anyway. Oh. Your own signature. You use the tail as a magic wand to spray glitter and make glittery logos. You want the logos to be created by you. Alright. Whoop. I could use my ponytail. Also, wait. I thought about the buying all cosmetics, but I think the item box is still bugged if you upgrade it too much. Oh, okay. I should take a look at this. I'll write it in the achievement. I'm going to work on this anyway tomorrow, so I might as well write it here. Let's note to self. I'm just going to do that. It's easier. Check item box upgrade bug. Okay. If I have time. If that's way too time consuming, I'll just okay, I'll give myself 1 hour on it. If I cannot fix it in 1 hour, I'll just give up. My time is so limited now. So it's kind of annoying. Oh well. Also, it seems like more cosmetic can always be added, so yeah, that's true. Except for stingery insects, bees, etc. They actually sting and not bite. Yeah, well, it's yeah, because stinger is on the other end and it's basically a tail. Hashtag biology is fun. That's true. Insects story are pretty crazy. I've heard about that insect that it has a life cycle that is crazy. It wants to be digested. Wait, there's a couple of different ones. There are those parasites that zombify ants or zombify. It's a different one, but there's another one that zombify snails or make their eyes become look like lavas. It's disgusting, but it's also crazy. So that get eaten by for the ants they get eaten by the beef, the cows, so they end up in their digestive system and they lay eggs in there and come back out the other side and then they go they have a crazy life cycle. And the other one with the it's the same. It's the same thing. They get eaten. Snails have crazy eyes, and they get eaten by the birds who thinks that they are caterpillars. And then they poop them out again, and then they become something else. It's insects. Anyway, cordyceps. Yeah. Wait. Problem with I'm not sure what cordyceps are. I probably know the French word, maybe. I don't know. The problem with storage is actually a game-breaking bug because it forbids you from saving the game. Oh, that's a big one. I should spend more than 1 hour then, or deactivate it. So by telling me that, you risk me if I don't find a way to fix it to deactivate the whole box feature altogether. But I will try my best to fix this. Yeah, we'll see. Basically, if you upgrade your storage, game for some reason can read that value and refuse to write in the save files anything that is after a storage volume value. That is problematic indeed. All right, I'll take a look. I'll just copy paste your thing. This is convenient. Let's see. Boop boop and boop boop, and I'll write this here. Ooh, what happened? No, it's fine. Wow, I have access to the text in the chat, so we don't stop progress. So awesome. All right, let's get back to the game. Okay. So the only thing you can save until you restart is your money value. Okay. Okay, I'll take a serious look at it tomorrow. Don't worry, I am a professional. I'll give it my best. I'm saying that and then I cannot fix it. I'm going to be. I usually keep my word. Yeah, I'll try to fix it. Yeah, I don't think too much. This is tiring me actually. So I heard that thing actually. Some psychologist, I think, talking about that. So if you start sometime you get very tired without doing anything, just by thinking about something that is just by thinking about something. So the curious thing is that you are physically tired from thinking. And That's something that I got more conscious about by. I mean, I created an open world roller skating with complex physics game with streaming and huge amount of systems. I don't think if I took that enterprise by setting myself on I'm going to create a rocket. I think I would be tired before starting it. And there's a very good practice that I do all the time is that I only think about my next step. I have a direction, I have an overall direction indeed, but I only think about what I have to do immediately, the small things. And that allows me to really not get tired by just thinking so the brain is going to. I forgot what YouTuber was talking about that. It was quite interesting. So my brain would automatically see the huge amount of work I need to do to get there, and he would automatically tells me, "No, this is too much work. This is too tiring. You don't even start it." And yeah, this is a work killer. So the solution is to just think to the next small step to do, and your brain is going to be okay. No problem. That's easy to do. Do it, and you won't feel tired. That's really crazy. Like you haven't done anything yet, and you're feeling tired. I used to feel that way for some things. I actually still think that way whenever someone is telling me to change something that I've done, that I've spent hours doing already. But if I take that feedback and cut it into small part and looking, okay, if I'm fixed indeed, what should I do? It's fine. It's totally fine. And notice that by having this kind of reaction also made me more pleasant toward feedbacks, I suppose. Yeah, I don't know. It's something that increases. I don't know. It's a weird thing. Whatever. So the only thing you can say, okay, wait. High tech right here. Chat copy paste feature. Yes, it is. It's pretty cool. By the way, what am I supposed to do in the game right now? That UI. I'm still not satisfied with that UI. Now it is visible. It used to be invisible, super hard to read, but it's ugly now. It's super ugly. I need the UI expert. I like the UI system that I've done with the screens, right? This is cool. But this is ugly too. Oh well. I think I'm supposed to go check on Toast. Boop. That's just human brain bug. People still only look in the nearest future, so if you do a big project to be done in the long period, your brain by default is trying to compress it in a few days. That's not really a bug. I think that's a good feature to have for survival. Like, don't waste your body is trying to save energy. Is trying to survive above as a priority above anything else. So of course, if you're thinking about something that is too exhaustive, it's going to prevent you from doing it by just telling you, hey, don't do it. Yeah, the amount of you're thinking about it, the amount of energy you're going to spend on that is going to be huge. Just don't start doing it. I think that's a mechanic that is a good one. If we were were in a survival situation, I suppose. Don't think about. And yeah, I don't know. I kind of understand why we have that mechanic, But nowadays we don't have any survival issues. You can eat whenever you want. Maybe that's a new issue. A lot of health issue comes from the fact that we can eat anything anytime. And yeah, I don't know. Okay. When it can when it can't, it thinks that you can't do it all, and yeah, that's what I say. There are levels to there are layers to that features of ours. I think it probably saved our ancestors' life a lot before. It makes sense, right? You don't want to spend energy on things that are not about survival, so it makes sense, kind of. Oh well. Send nudes. Back to the achievement. This part I like. Achievement. Send nudes. We have no idea. We are innocent. We don't know what the nudes are. Take the selfie with a. This is a good one. I like it. Good job, Lapin. Good job. Awesome. I have hiccups. I keep having hiccups lately. Probably ate too much. I'm trying to gain some weight because I'm way too slim now because of my diet. So I've been eating a ton. That's why I hiccup lately. Anyway, by controversy, people evolved and survived because they learned to ignore that survival feature and started to look in the future. Yeah, I mean, yes. I mean, okay, in terms of human evolution, our situation is extremely minimal. It's like 100 years since we are in this situation where our diet is crazy non-adapted to our body, and in terms of survival and stuff, it's like big bazillion years, so it's not even comparable. So what you're saying is true. uh it's a problem. Our survival instinct is a problem with now a modern life completely, but I cannot really blame our body at that point, because bazillion years of this versus 100 years of that. Give it a few thousand years to adapt, maybe. At least. Anyway, that's what is called a bug feature, which is causing an unexpected problem. We're not machines. We are evolving over thousands of years. I mean, you can turn yourself into a cyborg. That's a cyborg. That's a solution. Then you can quickly tweak yourself. But so far, we probably should go with the basic plan, maybe. I know that by removing all sugar and try to eat fruits only during summers, I fixed a million problems I had, and I probably avoid a real heart attack. I think. I think I remember I said during the stream that some years ago, 2019 to be exact, I really think I wouldn't have made it. It was every day. The sweating and the heart pounding and the emergency state of my whole body, it was crazy. I felt like becoming mad. Never again. Never that again. Yeah. His body could not keep up with the tacos. Nope. Completely not. It was more of a bread issues or carbs issues. But yeah, tacos wouldn't work, I think. All right. Hey, I talked. So I kind of don't want to stop the stream, but it's getting late here. Man. Okay, I'm saying this again. Hey, Ashley Molly. Actually, that's your first comment. Welcome to the stream. Although I'm almost going to stop it. Yeah, I said in the beginning of the stream, it was very lonely when nobody is here. But just I'm having an awesome time. Just you guys talking to me. That's awesome. And we made some progress with Neon Tales thanks to you guys. All those achievements are yours, are created by you, and they are pretty cool. I really like the. I really like many of them. I'm a huge fan of Send Nude, Get Isekai, Bird Bath. No, they're all cool. They're all pretty cool. Art from a Funky Town. I love this one. Yeah, pretty cool. I'm going to try to implement them tomorrow and try to push them to the Steam release maybe next week, maybe. We'll see. I'll try to test it out also. And stay tuned for the dungeon thing. I'm probably going to implement the AI. I'll try to find a way for us to play together, maybe during the stream even. And we'll see. I'm probably going to add the dungeon things and the AI and start having a solo type of game with the multiplayer implemented. My plan is for the mices to be able to hit each other without removing any HP. However, monsters, of course, it's going to be a PVE and a PV and a and a scoring PvP, but not fighting PvP. It's kind of hard to find to find the right words. Okay. All right. Thank you for watching this stream. I'll see you next week. And let's do this. Bye bye. Good night and good day to you. Boop.